Good morning, students. Today we will learn another important property of triangle, that is angle sum property. Okay. In our previous class we have learned exterior angle sum property, which says the measurement of an exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. Okay. The today's property is angle sum property of a triangle, and it says the total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. Say ABC is a triangle and its three angle is angle 1, 2 and 3. So it says that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will be equals to 180 degree. Okay. Now how to prove it? Okay, we will use that angle sum property of an exterior angle. This angle ACD is an exterior angle. Let's say it is 4. Okay, so what we have studied in exterior angle sum property, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 equals to angle 4, because angle 4 is an exterior angle and these two are opposite interior angle. Okay, if I add angle 3 added in both the side, what we will get? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to angle 4 plus angle 3. Now if you look at it carefully, angle 4 plus angle 3, what it is? Angle 4 plus angle 3, it is equals to 180 degree. Why? Because angle 3 and angle 4, they are linear pair. Okay, so we can say angle 4 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degree. Now and this angle 4 plus angle 3 was equals to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. So we can conclude, or we can say that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, this is 180 degree. Understood? Now this relationship or this property is very significant. Okay, you will use in many cases. So these two important properties that we have studied, they are very important. Please learn it and understand it properly. If I have drawn a triangle, it shows that its exterior angle is 50 degree and opposite interior angle is 50 degree 50 degree. Is something wrong in this diagram? Can you identify this, what is wrong in this diagram? Look at this diagram carefully. Say that this if it is its exterior angle and these are in opposite interior angle, that exterior angle sum property, what it says, this exterior angle is equals to this opposite sum of opposite interior angle. Okay, but you can see here it is goes to 50 degree, it should be 100 degree. Exterior, this measurement should be 100 degree. So this diagram is wrong. can the exterior angle be a straight angle? Is it possible that exterior angle of a triangle will be a straight angle? Say, let's take an example. ABC is a triangle and this angle ACD. This angle ACD can, in any case, it can be equals to straight angle. Straight angle means how much? It is 180 degree. Okay. If this angle has to be 180 degree, if angle ACD, let's take, we assume 180 degree, then what will happen? This angle A plus B, that should also be equals to 180 degree. Okay, but we have just learned that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. If these two angles are 180 degree, then this angle should be 0. Okay, which is not possible. Okay, in any case it is not possible that angle C will be 0 and this angle A plus B will be equals to. So it's not possible that exterior angle of a triangle will be a straight angle. It is not possible. Okay, let's discuss exercise 6.3. First question, you have to find out the value of x. Okay, so in all the cases you will write that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. Okay, and angle A is x plus 50 degree plus 60 degree equals to 180 degree. Okay, so x plus 110 degree equals to 180 degree and x equals to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. Okay, in all the cases you will write that. We get from angle sum property of a triangle is that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree, then you will solve. Okay, next is we will do question number 4, that is given. This is 50 degree and these are x and x. So according to the angle sum property of a triangle, what we get, that is we get x plus 50 degree is equals to 180 degree. So x plus x is what? 2x. 2x plus 50 degree equals to 180 degree. So 2x equals to 180 minus 50 degree, that is 130 degree. So x equals to 130 by 2, that is 65 degree. Okay, now next is question number 6 we will discuss. It is x and 2x, and this is, so you must have learned by this time this sign means 90 degree. So according to the angle sum property, what we get, x plus 2x plus 90 degree equals to 180 degree. Okay, so x plus 2x is what? 3x. 3x equals to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. So x equals to 90 divided by 3, that is 30 degree. So x equals to 30 degree. So 2x will be equals to 60 degree. Okay. Question number 2. Find the values of unknown x and y in the following diagram. Okay. You have to find x and y. Okay. And here you can see you have to use both the property, that is exterior angle sum property and the angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, so in the first case you can see that this 50 degree plus x plus y, what it will be? It will be 180 degree, and this angle, this exterior angle is also equals to 50 plus x. So we will, from this 50 plus x equals to 120 degree. So x will be equals to 120 minus 50, that is 70 degree. Okay, so you will get value of x, and this angle plus this angle plus this. So x plus y plus 50 equals to 180 degree, and you have found out this value of x, so it is 70 degree plus y plus 50 equals to 180 degree. So y equals to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degree. Another way you can find that this angle y and this angle, they are at just linear pair, so they will make 180. So y plus 120 equals to 180, so y will be equals to 180 minus 120, so it will be 60 degree. Okay, this way also you can do. Next, question number 2. This, you can see this y and angle 80 degree, they are vertically opposite. So y equals to 80 degree. So using this angle sum property, what you get, x plus y plus 50 equals to 180. You have found out this value of y, that is 80. So x plus 80 plus 50 equals to 180. Okay, so x will be equals to 180 minus 130, so it is 50 degree. Okay, next is question number 6. Okay, this angle x and this, so this angle, they are vertically opposite. So as they are vertically opposite, we will get this angle is also equals to x, and this angle, they are vertically opposite. So this angle is also x, and this angle, they are vertically opposite. Okay, and they will must be equal because vertically opposite angles are equal in measure. So y equals to x. So what you get ultimately, x plus x plus x equals to 180 degree. Okay, so 3x equals to 180 degree. So x equals to 180 divided by 3, that is 60 degree. So each angle is of 60 degree. That's all for today. Thank you.